apply the properties to control the dynamic style. Properties to control the dynamic styles. Okay, so we have two properties. First one is selected background color. That should be any color, yellow. Let's say yellow. Make it in strings. Another property is selected text color. Let's say it is pink. Okay, semicolon. Okay, so let's check it in the browser. Okay, so background color is yellow and text color is pink. Okay, so ngStyle is working because we have set background color to selected background color. This is we are passing from component class. Let's change the color from pink to black. Okay, and let's go into the okay. So black color to the text is applied using ngStyle. So what we have done, the ngStyle directive dynamically binds the styles to the element. The background color, it is set to the value of this selected background color. Okay, this background color, this is the style property, and it is set to the this variable, and we are passing this variable as yellow. Okay, so it is displaying as yellow. And similarly, in case of selected text color, we are passing black. So it is taking color as black and it is applying to this text. So this is about ngStyle.